Take your drink.
Sir, I don't want to drink. Sir, please. I just want to clear my name first. I'm a foundation staff of the bank and I've never been found wanting. Sir, please. Can I have the documents so I can clear my names? Please, sir. Please.
You'll get the documents. For sure. But first, I would like to ask you a few questions. Apart from the day we met in your bank when I came to deposit money, do you remember any other encounter with me?
Yes, sir. I remember your mom's burial. A lot of people were spraying plenty money. People even came with a lot of cows.
That's not what I'm talking about. Personal encounter, I mean.
No, sir. I can't remember anything.
Really?
Fraud in the bank. Hey! Why are you screaming? Fraud! I knew it. I knew that Ifeoma was always slow poison. Always pretending to be self-righteous, but then she is the devil. I knew it. Hey!
Wait. Ifeoma has nothing to do with this. She wasn't even the one that was accused, but...
Why was she arrested? Kelechi, why was your friend being arrested? Huh?
It was a false accusation. It was a false accusation.
Hey. What kind of false accusation? Eh? That young, tall, sexy, nice man I saw will never accuse anybody falsely.
Really?
Yes. She committed an offense and she's been arrested. I pray she should go to jail. Yes. Ashagara in this village is too much. Always carrying her shoulder up. Behaving as if she's the first person that works in the bank.
Cynthia,
microfinance bank at that.
What is your problem with Ifeoma? Why you always bitter about her?
She is too arrogant and self-righteous. Holier than thou, but with a wicked heart. No wonder Odinake abandoned her and married pretty Adora.
And you have been her friend all along. And you're even mocking her with something that happened to her. So you're happy about it.
Aww. Huh, sigh. What could I have done? I was just managing her as my friend. You know, I was thinking that she would change. But no, she goes worse by the day. And now, Kama has caught up with her. Kama!
I don't agree with you. Ifeoma cannot do that. Ifeoma didn't do it.
Why would you agree with me? Huh? When you're busy enjoying the money she stole from the bank.
I won't take that from you. I will not have you say rubbish about me. Did you hear me? What's even wrong with you?
Slow down, my friend. Slow down. You know, truth is always bitter. Very bitter. But let me tell you something. Just a piece of advice, my friend. Be careful before they come and handcuff you too.
What is even wrong with this girl? Well, I don't blame you. I blame Ifeoma that made you a friend. Rubbish.
The day I came to your bank to deposit money and I saw you, I kept saying that I know this person. You know, I couldn't recollect, you know, where we met before, but I don't know. I got back home, he kept on disturbing me until 2 days ago. I think I remembered clearly. And I started looking for you.
I don't understand. Where was that?
Many years ago. Then I was still serving my master. I was traveling to Lagos and I don't know what happened to me. I lost my money. I think I was robbed or something, you know. these pickpockets guys. They took my money, my wallet and my phone. I was stranded. I was crying. I tried to explain to the driver and the passengers there, but nobody believed me. But a young lady paid for me. You remember?
Yes, I remember. That was 10 years ago.
Exactly.
I was going to purchase my jam form in Lagos. Yes.
I remember. The people there, nobody believed me. They thought I was a fraudster. But you volunteered to pay my transport fee.
Yes. Yes. This voice. I remember.
Small world. Small world. Then you were a teenager. And I remember you told me you were from this village, Umudi.
Yeah. But I don't understand. Emeka Tigana. Is that really you?
Well, to the glory of the Almighty God, it's me. Good to see you again. When I came to your bank, I saw you. I said, I know this person. Kept on disturbing me. I said, I know this lady. I just couldn't remember where I met you. And then finally I recollected, and here we are.
I don't know what to say.
Girls, you girls miss. You should have been there to see what I saw with my 2 eyes. Police came in that their big van. If you see the way they were coming down, they cocked their gun and they were shooting. Bah, 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 bah. You needed to see the way they dragged Ifoma. Your Ifoma. They dragged her. You needed to see the way they kicked her.
What did she do now?
She is a criminal. They say she and her gang robbed bank and stole so much millions. See, they are taking her to Abuja and they say she's not coming back. She will be in jail, everlasting to everlasting. She's not coming back. If you see the way they, oh my, it's so disappointing, so disgraceful. You needed to be there. The way they were beating her, she started calling names. She was mentioning people one after the other. She was, it's so disgraceful. I can't even say it. I can't even hide my face because people know I was her friend. Oh, I was close to her.
No, I disagree with you. I don't believe Auntie Foma can do such a thing.
Shut up! Who told you that? That's not what that run fast. She is slow poison. I told you. You needed to see the way they drag her on the floor. Yeah, you girls were not there. You were not there to see what happened to our wife. Oh. Hey!
I wish I'm there. I like seeing this kind of thing.
I should have been there to see it. You see the way they kick her. She was crying. She was even confessing that it's not only her, that there are plenty. Oh, she begins to call them. She was calling. Ah, you needed to see something.
First of all, let me apologize to you for coming to you the way I did. With the police and, it looked as if I came to arrest you. The whole bank thing, documents accusing you of fraud, it's all a prank. Believe me. You know what a prank is, right? Yes, it's all a prank. I came up with that so I can bring you to my house. I'm sorry.
Oh my God. But really, that was an expensive prank. Someone would have died or something.
You're right. And I apologize. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay.
But I noticed something. All through, you were not rattled by the situation.
I was actually, but when I saw you, I became more relaxed because I know you wouldn't hurt an innocent person.
Really?
Yeah.
How did you know?
People say you're kind and generous.
Oh. Now I'm blushing. Okay, so at least we've established that I cannot hurt you. Take your drink now while we talk.
Thank you. So, why do you bring me here?
To propose to you.
I don't understand. You're joking, right?
Will you marry me?
You're joking, right?
You're a wonderful person. A very wonderful lady. And you deserve the best. Please marry me.
Yes. I will marry you. It's just like a dream. Oh God. Thank you. Thank you.
Babe. Come here, Joe. I've missed you.
I missed you too. I missed you.
I missed you too, girl.
What happened? I've been trying to reach you, but your line has not been connecting.
I know you've been trying to reach me, but he seized my phone. In fact, he threw away my phone.
Who seized your phone and why?
He got me this, girl. An iPhone.
Who got you on my phone?
And he
iPhone
proposed.
13.
Diamond ring, baby girl. Diamond ring!
Wait. What is happening? Who got you this ring? Who proposed to you?
Emeka Tigana. Yeah.
Wait.
See, let me
Emeka
You remember the incident that took place? Those men that came to the house yesterday were not policemen. They were actually sent by Emeka Tigana for them to bring me to his house.
Wait. You mean those boys that came here actually took you to Emeka's house?
He took me to his house. He proposed to me there.
Wait, Emeka Tigana,
of course,
proposed to you.
Yes, girl, he did.
How? Wait, Ify, stop laughing now. Wait, have you met this guy before?
It's actually a story for another day. It's a long story. I will tell you. But for now, check this out, girl. Check it out. All for you. Open it.
Don't joke with me.
Open it, girl. Open it.
Are you serious?
She got me all that, and I said, let me give my friend some.
Wait.
Open the box. Open it. Why are you acting up?
Ify, you got all these things for me?
Yes, baby.
All this for me?
Yes, baby. He actually took me out for shopping and got the whole word for me. And I said, let me give my girlfriend some.
Oh, this is so fine. Oh. Wait. If you got all this for me.
Of course. I have 3 buses inside. Don't worry. You can take everything. Take the bus. Take everything.
I should take even the bus.
Of course.
Child, thank you so much. Thank you.
You're my good friend. He's taking me to Lagos on Saturday to see his friends and family members.
Wait, though. All these things are happening so fast.
My dear, I can hardly breathe, but I love the feeling.
I'm happy for you, girl. Congrats. I'm happy for you.
Then again, he is coming to pay my bride price. Yes. He said he wants to do a small trad, then an international wedding.
Which one is international wedding? Which
one is that one? If you ask me, who will I ask?
The good thing is that you're getting married.
I am happy for you. I know.
My girl is taking.
Come, let me show you the things he actually got for me. I know you like them.
Please let me pack my things. I cannot
keep it aside. Just
no,
come.
I'm carrying it inside.
No, chop it. Come here. Come here.
No, let's go inside. Let me go and see.
Nchamel, bad news. We are coming from Ezemo's place, and we've confirmed that it was Ezemo that told Ono that your coronation has to be suspended for now. So I tried to find out why it was suspended, but Ezemo said that the gods have not told him anything. The thing is that I couldn't push further. I even went there with 2 native fowls and
yes. 2 bags of yam.
2 bags of yam, yes. All the others went except for Ndoka for yes. They are the only ones that did not go with us. So even the money you gave us was not enough. But we had to rally around to make sure that we got what you wanted. That is the bad news. We tried our best because you know that if it profits you, it will profit both of us.
Ichi-A-Ko-Kanayo.
Igwe.
Okay. Igwe. Echibagu. You don't need to be bothered. This is just a temporary setback. Okay? And within a very short time, very soon, everything will be fine.
Yes. It has been confirmed in the spirit and in the physical.
Yes.
It's done.
Bam!
It's done.
It's all good, Joe.
To be a king is not a do-or-die. Take it easy. To be a king is
What is going on?
How?
Is it not you that told me that Ifeoma was arrested? Is she not supposed to be in prison? Why are we now hearing that she's getting married to Tigana? What's happening? Is she not supposed to be in prison? How can Tigana of all people, marry someone that stole from him? What kind of story is this? She used juju.
I hope you don't suffocate with jealousy against Ifeoma. I never told you such.
Baby Ankechi, what kind of nonsense is that? What's this one you're telling me now?
I never told you anything like that, Cynthia. You were the one that twisted the whole story to suit your hatred for her. And even went as far as telling people that she and her armed robbery gang went to the bank and stole. How dare you? Is it not what you told me that I told others? Is it not what you told me that I have to tell others? Am I the only one that's supposed to hear it? I never told you any such! You witch! It's your father. It's your family that is a witch. Kelechi is your family that is a witch. Look at this girl. Why are you denying something that you told me? Is it because it's backfired? Why are you denying it? I never knew you're this evil, Cynthia. I never told you such. What is wrong with you?
Kelechi, it is your word against mine. Look at you. You want to use me and shine in this village. It will not work. Look at this one. Brats like you.
Really?
You have not seen the last of me.
Then let's watch out. Look at this stupid guy.
Is something wrong with you?
Come, get that. Is that what you told me? You! Are you mad? You little rat, you will see. This girl is not normal, though. Look at this idiot. You want to come and lie? Before they know to tell people that you said it because I am bold. I am telling the one that I said it. Why you deny your own? Why you deny your own? Hurt me, are you? See, I'll kill this girl. Why you deny your own? Look at you. Look at this stupid lele like you. You've not seen the last of me yet. You've not seen it. I swear you've not seen the last of me yet. I never knew your mother's son. I told you. I told you I'll get you. You're talking when I'm talking. Are you seeing me? You're talking nonsense. Come, I'll catch you. Look at this idiot there. You're talking nonsense. Is it not what you said? Is it not what you said? Yes, I am Cynthia. I am bold enough to tell people that I said it. Be bold to tell people that you said it. Look at all these pretenders. This is what I offer. You will see. What kind of nonsense is that? You lied. You lied against me. Look at this idiot. You lied. You will see. Look at you. You will see. You have to be.
So tired.
Cynthia.
Hello, the luckiest girl in town. Ify, my bestie. The billionaire's wife. The only girl that scattered Tigana's head. Ne, congratulations, my friend.
Thank you very much. All this praise is for me.
Yes, you deserve it, my friend. Oh, you don't know the news is everywhere. Eh? It's everywhere. That you are Tigana's wife to be. God's favor is upon you. And you know what, my friend? I am so happy for you. I am so happy. Like I'm overwhelmed with joy.
Thank you very much, Cynthia. Thank you.
Please, you know you're my friend. I want you to be very careful with the people you call your friends. Hey, you know, level has changed now. Things are turned the other side. Envy and jealousy will be the order of the day. Bikonu. Eh?
Okay, but is there any problem? You know I don't have many friends, just few.
Even with that, the few ones, still be very careful. Eh?
Cynthia, is there any problem?
No. No problem, just that. You can imagine that your friend, your so-called best friend Kelechi, she was busy spreading the news that you committed fraud in the bank. And then police came and arrested you. That's you will be in prison in the next 20 years. Oh, my dear friend, you needed to see me. I was weeping, I was crying, I was like, that's Ify cannot do it. Ify is my best friend. I know Ify too well. She cannot do something like that. Before someone else come and tell me, no, that is a lie, yo. That Tikana sent his escort to come and pick you to his palace as a VIP and then propose to you with a diamond ring. I am happy for you. My friend, my friend.
Wow. Kelechi said all that.
Live and direct. That's why I'm telling you to be careful.
Thank you very much for your love and care. I really appreciate.
Ne. One of these days, I am going to come to your house. And please, when Oga come, tell him so that he will get ready for me on time.
I will. Thank you.
I trust you, my friend. And you know, 1 million naira as a gift. It's not a bad idea. You know he has done so much for other people. I'm your best friend, no? If you know me, I'm your best friend.
Cynthia will deliver your message. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And you know I love you. Thank you. And take care of Ogao. I know you will. Okay. Take care of yourself. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, Cynthia. Take care.
This Ekenemon. None.
We all know why we are gathered here. Ezemo has lifted the ban on the Igwe contest for our community. That is why I summoned this meeting so that we can collectively nominate, adopt, and confirm a candidate to be the Igwe of Umudim community. Okwaifo. They won. The floor is open. The floor is open for contributions.
Oh no, you have spoken well. There is no point in looking for a candidate because we already have one we have a candidate standing by. A candidate that has given so much. A candidate that has done so much for this community. We are talking about Chief Akokalia. Akokalia Nemelora. As a matter of fact, it will be an abomination to even consider comparing Akokalia with someone else. Yes. What we should be talking about is to fix a new date so that Akokalia will print fresh invitation cards and give to his friends. He has already wasted money on the other invitation cards and billboards and all the things he has done. But it is so nothing. Let us fix a date.
Izuago, one name, my good brother. You have spoken well. Let us set a new date for the coronation of Akokalia as the Igwe of Umudim.
Not so fast, though. Akokalia is not the only one qualified to be Igwe.
And who else, if not Akokalia?
Ototo Nwana Mulora. Okpata Ozuora Nine. Akululuno. Odogu Nemi Lekagu. Nnameka Nwa Maduka is more qualified. Anytime, any day.
Look at you. Look at what you're talking about. That boy in Emeka. What does he know? We are talking about the culture and tradition of our people. Yes. We are talking about Igwe, the custodian of our people. Ine Ekwoku Emeka. Ibi Igwe abụghị inwe club na ịgbakiri kata. Talk some sense.
That boy Nnameka has done more for our community than your so-called candidate Akokalia, who came back from the city to exploit us. Taking over people's land, using police and army to intimidate our people. Nnameka has revived our community hospital, our community school, and he is presently building a modern town hall and community center for us. Nnameka has placed 50 of our brightest children on scholarship, and he has taken additional 10 to Lagos to train them in a business. What exactly has Akokalia done for us? Apart from bribing some of our gullible-minded elders to cause confusion and thwart our collective will.
Yes. We are talking about tradition, not philanthropy. What has he done? No. It is not about insulting as you want. What has he done?
Just leave him. Leave him.
Thank your God where you know whose house.
Sit down. Sit down. This is not a shouting match. We are here for serious business. It will be a matter of choice. It's about decision. It is not about fighting or shouting. Please, let this not repeat. Is there anybody else who has an opinion on this matter?
My fellow elders, we should all know that this is not a market women meeting, but meeting of honored people, honorable people. Let us compose and be what we are. Yes, tradition and custom, they're all good. We have been in it. I lived and I grew up seeing it, but with nothing to show. But I want to let you know that this world is moving faster than we expected, of which if you don't meet up with it, you will be dropped out. Yesterday, it was analog. And today, what is it? Digital. If I may suggest, we need a very vibrant young man that can stand. If you call him in the night, he will come out. If it has to do with going to oversee, he will go for us. If he needs to see the president, he will go there to bring what belongs to us. And there is only one person I see that quality in. And that is Nemeka.
Stop campaigning! You have to say something! Stop campaigning! Stop campaigning!
Ibekanjo, I heard you. Is there anybody else who has something to say? All right. Well, in the absence of any other contribution or opinion on this matter, I want to make my position known. For so long, we have been trying to make Akukalia the Igwe of Umudim. But it did not work. It did not work, and it still has not worked. Within the period of suspension of this process, another candidate emerged in the person of Nemeka. It appears the gods have a hand in this matter, if you ask me. So, what it means is that as it stands, we have two candidates contesting for this position. On one hand, Chief Gabriel Akukalia. On the other hand, Nemeka Maduka. I do not want to be partial. Neither do I want to be partisan by virtue of my position. We are in a democracy now, are we not? Yes. Majority carries the vote. On the strength of that, I want to put this matter to vote. Are we agreed on it?
Let us vote.
If you know that you want Chief Akokalia to become the next Igwe of Umudim, Obododike, indicate by raising up your hand.
Anọ n'ụgbọ na-aga aga.
Nwosu.
As we can see, it is only two of us, Ichie Izo and Ichie Zerowa, who have voted for Akokalia. It is noted. Now, those of us who want Nemeka Maduka to become the next Igwe of our land, Umudim, Obododike, please indicate by raising up your hand.
The moving train!
Sit down.
And I want to join my votes.
Sit down. I come the name.
Oboro, that means 7 of us against 2 of us. By this vote, it means that Ndichie, the kingmakers of Umudim, have unanimously voted and decided that Nemeka Maduka shall be the next Igwe of Umudim. And so shall it be.
Umudim Makan!
Yeah!
Umudim Makan!
Yeah!
Umudim Mono!
Yeah!
Umudim Zono!
Yeah!
Umudim Kachano!
Yeah!
Umudim Umunu Neonunga! Asini bogi di blog di ogi da dia mo. Isa no bogi di blog di ogi da kapo onyo so. Aya de ti eje ta kuru na mo. Aya de ti ya mo. Ogome. Oh, nene. Yeah. Ogome. Orugi baka jo. Nene. Ogome. Ijendoka. Ogome. Onowu ibaide monu.
Chiendoka.
Onowu. Iboliwe muneli. Metul ke boje. Metul ke boje. Ne. Ibali, it's all been also.
Nana, what happened?
It's all. Nnameke nwa Maduka, nwana Yeze. Anyị ekene gị. Anyị ekene gị. Ọ dị na mba na ya yo, ọ dị na mba na ya yo, ọ dị na mba na ya yo. Nnameke odogwu, Nnameke odogwu. Ebe na-ekweli ibuve egwu, ọka nga mụ bịa kano. Ome.
Ije duka. Oya. Ija. Okome. Ije duka Mayo.
So this is what this is all about. All the schemings and machinations was geared towards depriving me of my God-given position. Now, never. Onyebo Tigana, a charlatan, a Yahoo boy, a ritualist, to become my own Igwe. Nebe Ademieme. No. All you Ichies are nothing but a bunch of hungry dogs, scavenging for food. I will fight this battle all by myself and still become the Igwe. Ako, it is not our fault. That's that boy. He bribed them. He gave them big money. Also, ego. He used money to confuse them. That's the problem. But if you can bring some money, even if it is half of what he gave them, we will try to convince them to change their mind.
Izog, you put that to me again. I can't give it. Get out of my house! All of you are the same. Izog, he's a William. Nwabure Amugo. And as for you, Tigana, whatever they call you, I will deal with you. You will not know what hit you. By the time I'm through with you, you'll be better dead. Izog Eliam. Well,
Chief Wanyo, take it easy. To be a king is not a do.
I really need to talk to Emeka on my behalf. You know you're the only one that can talk to him. I know I messed up, yes. But I love him so much and I can't lose him. I've realized my mistakes. Please just tell him to just talk to me, please.
Well, there's no need for that now, right? He has moved on, so I advise you move on too.
Move on? I can't move on without him. He is the love of my life. I love him so much. Please just help me talk to him.
I see. The very one you love is married now.
Married?
He has even paid the bride price. So what we are waiting for is his coronation that is coming soon as the Igwe of his community.
Igwe? Emeka? Igwe? I should have been the Lolo.
I thought you said you don't like local things.
I didn't used to, but I do now.
I see.
So you're trying to tell me that there's nothing that you can do about it?
There is nothing I will do about it. It's always good for you to know what you want.
No.
And go for it.
There's something that can be done. I'm sure when Emeka sees me, when he sees me, he will fall in love with me again, right? I'm sure. Just help me, please.
Okay. Wait for him then.
Good. Duncan!
You're really enjoying me.
Look at your house. Your gown is nice.
Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you.
Well, we are rooting for you now. Very soon we'll join you.
Of course, I wish you luck.
I've been meaning to discuss something with you.
What is it? Is there a problem?
No, not at all. Do you know that Cynthia is not your friend? Ever since you got married to Emeka Tigana, she has been saying a whole lot of rubbish about you. In fact, she just taking things out of proportion. Just like the other day that police people came to your house to arrest you. Do you know this girl went about telling people in the village that you were caught with your armed robbery gang? And that was why they arrested you. I mean, she's just acting like your enemy. I really don't understand that girl. Then after when Emeka finally engaged you, she then came with another story. That she used juju to pin him down. Can you imagine that nonsense? Yeah, I decided not to talk, because I wouldn't want to, spoil your relationship with her, because I don't know when you people started. But I just said I should at least try and let you know, because that kind of energy is not needed. I don't understand.
Kelechi, I believe you 100%.
You do?
Yes. I know Cynthia better than you do. She even called me to report you to me.
But I did what?
She said, actually, she turned everything that she said around. That you said you go about telling people that I'm a fraudster.
Ah, yeah, Cynthia.
But I know better, my friend. I know better. You know, Cynthia has never been a good friend. Yeah.
Honestly.
She sees me as a rival. Honestly, I didn't want to disclose all that to you because I wanted you to sit and know the right thing and tackle yourself and know the opinions to take and all that.
You're really a nice person, Ify.
I know.
I don't understand.
Please leave Cynthia alone. That's a good
I enjoy myself, darling.
Good afternoon, how are you? Alright, I'll be back shortly. I want to go see the local government chairman so we can discuss fixing the major road that leads to our village.
Okay. Take care of yourself, okay?
You too. Don't miss me too much.
I won't.
Kelechi,
Yes, sir.
this is for you.
All this for me?
Yes, my wife told me a lot of good things about you. You deserve it.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you. And you're a nice man too.
Thanks, Annie. Thank you. Take care of yourself.
You too.
If you thank you so much, what would I have done without you?
Nothing.
Imagine 100k all for me.
You deserve more, girl.
Thank you.
And thank you for being a good friend.
Always.
Always.
Thanks. I appreciate.
But you're looking good, though. See you.
Me, you that is eating money now. Me that just take it.
I know.
Hey, Kelechi. Thank you. Thanks for the money.
You will not forget your money.
Forget what? 100k.
At least you used to spray me on my day.
That day now. Not two of us. I go spray you. That's nothing.
My husband said our wedding will be the wedding of the millennium.
Yes,
so and the title will be Igwe Wets Ify.
Oh!
And even the vice president will be in attendance.
Wow. Congrats, girl. Oh, my girl is taking.
Oh,
I'm happy for you.
Taking. I know, right? I know.
See, every disappointment is a blessing. I keep telling you this, my dear.
You know, I didn't know that God was actually preparing a better place for me.
I swear.
And I'm so happy.
Do you remember when I was telling you about Odinaka? You were crying over him. I told you that God was preparing something very special for you. And now it has come to reality.
I know, right? Israel. But you know what? My problem is that people come in 10s and 20s just to ask for assistance. And you know I have to attend to them and all.
I know. And I know you're equal to the task.
Of course.
God really prepared you for this. And I know you can handle it.
Of course.
So just take your time and...
It's not really a big deal.
Let me tell you. Thank you. I really am.
You are really adding.
Don't tell me that for my witch adding.
Onye mana game osisi enelanyo neda ndemeka nwa mmaduka nwaka nwa emeka tika.
What a surprise visit. I thought you would call to say you're coming. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Chief Akukalia. Onyego. Please, what can I offer you, sir?
Well, thank you. I haven't got time for such frivolities now. I came to give a very important message to you. First, I want you to consider it a great privilege that Akokalia Rapo Bia Webia Bege. And having said that, you see, these useless elders who are pushing you to be the Igwe, they don't mean well for you. They want to destroy you. I will advise you to step down from me. Support me with your contacts, your wealth, to become the Igwe instead of challenging me.
Chief, I'm not challenging you. I'm only obeying a divine mandate to serve our people.
So you want to go ahead?
Yes, I will go ahead. Not because I want to hurt you. Far from it. The people want me. The elders want me. So I'll serve them.
Let me make it clear to you. It's only the living that can become the Igwe.
Chief, are you threatening me, Chief?
I'm not a gentleman. I don't play fair. I have made many people disappear. Don't be counted in that number.
All right. I see. Now I understand why even the gods have rejected you as well. Same way the people rejected you. Nobody wants you. You don't have leadership qualities. You have no business being king. What you're doing now is obsolete. Old tactics. Nobody does this anymore. Can get you into trouble. Look around you. I have gadgets here that just recorded everything you said. If I send it to the police, Chief, you'll go to jail. Believe me. If you doubt it, I can play it back for you right now. I'll advise you, Chief, don't do this again. Do not try it. I'm not a child. I did not get to this level by being stupid. I'm a very smart young man. And I'm very rich. Very, very rich. I'm equal to the task. Ejime Ezigbo, Chief. Ezigbo. Do not try this again. Akwado Mofuma. Don't.
Chifakokalia, Chifuanyo, take it easy. To be a king is not a daughter. Chifakokalia, Gaimano, take it easy. To be a king is not a daughter. Chifakokalia, Chifuanyo, take it easy. To be a king is not a daughter. Chifakokalia, Gaimano, take it easy.
Akokalia, what has come over you? How could you allow a small boy like Tigana outsmart you? How could I have fallen into such a trap? Now, I can't do anything to him directly. Otherwise, that devilish gadget will be used against me. Hello, son. Listen, Namde. I don't have money. Look, this Igwe thing is costing me a lot of money. I mean, are you not ashamed? People send money from abroad to their parents. Here we are sending you money. If you know Meggy. A young man like you, 28 years,
And you just ask for money as we will pluck it from one tree? I am here working for this Igwe thing because when I get in, I'm going to make it hereditary. So that you can become the next Igwe. So I'm indirectly working for you. And here you are. Join other boys. Take a part-time job. Pay your school fees. Do things. I wasn't up for this kind of nonsense again. Give an ekurifa.
Darling, believe me, I do not like the way you just spoke to our son now. I don't like it.
Like how?
You should be encouraging this boy instead of making him feel hopeless, worthless and useless.
Ugoma, the worthless, hopeless and useless. I should be speaking to a 28-year-old boy like a motivational speaker. After spending millions of naira, spending for his first degree, he studied a 4-year course in 6 years. I should be talking to him nicely, eh?
And so, all fingers are not equal.
That is your own dictionary. You caused all this. I wanted my son to study here so that he can also understand my business so that I can take over. You wanted him abroad because your friend's children are abroad. Unnecessary, unhealthy, unrivaled competition. Look at what it has cost us.
Honey, please. Honey, I don't know what you're talking about. All I'm trying to tell you is please look for money and give to this boy for his master's program. That's all.
Ugoma, send him your own money. Ijiego.
Which money? Which money, I ask? When was the last time you gave me money in this house? Dickheading Banaga. Say now. Say. The only thing that matters to you right now is just your contest about this Igwe. That's all.
I don't have time for your petty statements. You are just like your son. Look at it. I'm trying to get money. I've placed my land at Amateur, 10 plus of it for sale. So I can be able to undo this boy. And here you are talking nonsense.
Just hear yourself. Negodi. Ochiara, hear yourself. Just imagine what you said. You want to sell land to match a little boy. Namumbano. Odaba.
I lent your father 2 million naira. He's not been able to take my call. So I made my call avoid. You should see me every day and start clapping. I built a house for your family. If not, and here you are talking nonsense. When I talk, you talk. You feel like they make.
No problem. No problem. Why don't you go to CNN and announce it? What you have been doing for me, your wife, and my family. Go and announce it. That's it. Oh. What have you ever done for anybody without using it against that person?
I have gone to BBC already if you don't know.
Ngwano?
Yes.
Get what?
You should. Look, let me tell you. You should be happy I pulled your family out of poverty. You should see me and start saying, Jehovah bless this man for me. Here you are talking about money. Give me some accolades, woman, and be humble. I don't blame you. Look at a boy who is now a full-grown man who should take responsibility. Can't even pass one exam. Like trailer push Volkswagen first degree. Now on a master's degree, I can't put it like that. What is it?
Take it easy.
Do you believe I did it? Do you believe I'm a ritualist? That I'm a kidnapper? Do you?
No. Never. If I did, I wouldn't be here.
Thank you. So who do you think is behind this?
Who else? If not Akokalia, or maybe some other criminals. But Akokalia and his acolytes want to pin it on you.
The witness said she saw one of my boys there. How do we explain that?
That is where I am confused. I tried to talk to that girl since yesterday. But she's always in Akokalia's house, or with Izog and Zeroa.
Something is going on. Something fishy is going on.
Definitely. Those vultures are up to something.
And I will get to the root of it. I will get to the root of it. I'll be traveling tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow.